Cutting across to Bollywood, after Jaya Bachchan slammed those vilifying the Bollywood industry, Kangana Ranaut has launched a fresh attack on the veteran actor. Referring to Jaya's "don't poke holes in the thali that feeds you" comment, Kangana has made a reference to the casting couch in the industry. Kangana says that the same thali named by Jaya Bachchan abused women and gave them an item number after they slept with heroes. Kangana then went on to say that she taught feminism and women empowerment to the Bollywood industry and made her own thali. Veteran actor and Rajya Sabha MP Jaya Bachchan on Tuesday had charged that the film industry was being defamed, maligned and slammed those from the entertainment industry, particularly Kangana, hinting at Kangana for indulging in such slander. In fact, she says, do not drill holes in the very thali or the platter that feeds you.
People who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter, and I hope the government tells these people who have made their earning, name and fame in this industry to stop using such language. The entertainment industry always comes forward to help the government in whatever good work that the government takes up. Just because there are few people, you cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
Right.
I was really embarrassed and ashamed that yesterday one of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry, against, I'm not taking a name, against the film industry.
Let's cut across to Pia Hingorani joining us live from Mumbai. Pia, what we hear, the slugfest here between Kangana and Jaya, they're intensifying, with Kangana coming out to pinpoint that the Bollywood film industry is ridden with casting couch. And Jaya Bachchan must not speak about a thali, and said that the Bollywood industry itself has been, in fact, has received a lot of flack for casting couch and several other issues of feminism that she's raised. She praises herself, saying that she has brought feminism to the Bollywood industry, which never was before Kangana's entry there. What's the larger overriding sentiment in the Bollywood film industry right as we speak?
Well, Nabila, let me tell you, it all started when Kangana actually lashed out at Bollywood, saying that most of the Bollywood celebrities do consume drugs, and in fact she wanted to go ahead and help the NCB to bust the drug racket in Bollywood. Now that is what Jaya Bachchan and a lot of other celebrities are lashing out at. They are not very happy with the way Kangana has slammed the industry, saying that, of course, while drugs may be prevalent, but you cannot tarnish or spoil the name of the entire industry, because it's not only the film industry, but other sectors as well that consume drugs. That perhaps, without taking names, that is exactly what Jaya Bachchan was saying. However, let me also tell you that a lot of support has been given to Jaya Bachchan for making this comment in the parliament, and a lot of actors, especially outsiders, be it Anubhav Sinha, be it Taapsee Pannu, be it Manoj Bajpayee, have actually come ahead and said that yes, if there is a problem, it should be looked into. Bollywood should perhaps introspect, but to say at a large that the entire Bollywood is stuck in a drug nexus, that is what is really hurtful and alarming. So that is exactly what Jaya Bachchan was trying to say. Of course, Kangana then took it to another level, talking about, accusing Jaya Bachchan and also saying that if it hit closer home, even, bringing in her children, Shweta and Abhishek, how would she feel? So that we have to say that the comments were a little distasteful coming from Kangana. She perhaps shouldn't have gotten so personal. But of course, you can see on the whole, Bollywood is definitely, siding with Jaya Bachchan for what she said in Parliament yesterday.
Pia, thank you very much for joining us with those details there. Now, my colleague Ashok Singhal spoke to BJP MP and actor Hema Malini, who claimed that there is no Bollywood mafia. Let's take a listen.
पर हेमा जी, कुछ चीजें सामने आई हैं और रवि किशन जी ने भी यही कहा कि पिछले कुछ सालों से बॉलीवुड में ड्रग का प्रचलन बढ़ा है। इवन जो फिल्म स्टार्स पार्टियां करते हैं उसमें भी ड्रग्स सप्लाई की जाती है, ड्रग्स सर्व की जाती है। जबकि जया बच्चन ने कहा कि जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसमें छेद करते हैं, शर्म की बात है। तो आप जया बच्चन की बात से इत्तेफाक रखते हैं, रवि किशन की बात से इत्तेफाक रखते हैं? दोनों में कौन सही है?
अभी मैं आई एम नॉट ए जज और एनीवन टू से कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है। दोनों का इरादा यही था कि ये हमारे बॉलीवुड का बदनाम ना हो। अगर ये ड्रग का जो हो रहा है, जो हर जगह हो रहा है, हर जगह होने की वजह से उसका असर डेफिनेटली बॉलीवुड में भी जो पड़ा हुआ है उसको हटाना चाहिए, निकालना चाहिए उसको जल्द से जल्द। जो it is not the entire Bollywood is bad, entire Bollywood is such a beautiful, it's an art and culture का एक इंडस्ट्री है, इतने लोगों को वो जॉब देता है। how many people are living on this Bollywood?
कंगना रनौत जो है उन्होंने भी कहा है कि बॉलीवुड में, क्योंकि वो कुछ सालों से इंडस्ट्री में आई हैं, तो उनका भी ये कहना है कि बॉलीवुड में ड्रग सर्व की जाती है पार्टियों में, बड़े बड़े फिल्म स्टार्स हो या दूसरे स्टार्स हो, उनकी पार्टियों में बिना ड्रग के कोई पार्टी होती ही नहीं है।
अभी देखिए जो जाते हैं उनको मालूम होगा ना, हम लोग तो कहीं जाते नहीं, तो आई डोंट नो अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग, सो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस।
और एक सवाल हो रहा है हेमा जी, जिस ढंग से रवि किशन ने ये मुद्दा उठाया संसद में, उन्होंने कहा कि देश के साथ साथ बॉलीवुड में भी ड्रग पिछले कुछ सालों से आया, उसकी सफाई होनी चाहिए, उसको सरकार को कार्रवाई करके, ताकि जो युवा पीढ़ी है, यंग पीढ़ी है, उन पे उसका बुरा असर ना पड़े। लेकिन जया बच्चन ने उनको ही टारगेट किया। क्या रवि किशन ने जो सवाल उठाया वो क्या गलत था? और जया बच्चन ने कहा कि जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसमें से छेद करते हैं, तो ये कहां तक वाजिब है रवि किशन को टारगेट करना?
नहीं, सुनिए, रवि किशन जी ने जो कहा सही कहा है कि वो कहते हैं कि वो जो युवा पीढ़ी को इफेक्ट न करे, नॉट ओनली फॉर इन द बॉलीवुड, एंटायर हमारे पूरा देश में इसको निकाल देना चाहिए। तो हमारे सरकार को इसके ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देना जरूरी है, क्योंकि इट्स अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर यूथ ऑफ आवर कंट्री, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। अभी जया जी ने उसको क्या मतलब लिया वो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द कंट्रोवर्सी, मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं है इसके विषय में।
एक सवाल हो रहा है हेमा जी, ये आरोप लगते हैं कि बॉलीवुड में नए लोगों को चांस नहीं मिलता, जो पुराने लोग चले आ रहे हैं, जिनके परिवार हैं पहले से, वही लोग यहाँ पे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, नए लोगों को चांस नहीं मिलता। कितना दम है इस आरोप के अंदर?
अभी आप
बॉलीवुड माफिया कहा जाता है।
ये सब नया कुछ चीजें निकल कर आ रही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। देखिए अगर एक्टर का कोई बच्चे लोग हैं, वो एक्टिंग नेचुरली एक्टर ही बनना चाहेंगे, अगर उनमें टैलेंट है, अगर उनमें इतना मेहनत करने की है उनमें बात, या and also the God's luck should be there, they should have luck। इन तीन चीज मिलेंगे तो वो अपने आप आगे आएंगे। वो किसी प्रोड्यूसर का बच्चा हो, किसी एक्टर के बच्चे हैं या बाहर के हैं, जो भी है, अगर उनमें टैलेंट है तो डेफिनेटली आगे आएंगे।
BJP MP Ravi Kishan has hit out at Jaya Bachchan and said that she should support the drug cleanup drive as well. Here's what he had said.
I want them to really bless me, because this fight is for their kids too, it's for their family too, it's for their generation too. Even they will not like it, because they have not seen, all my seniors and my colleagues, even they will not want that people should come and have drugs and die as a drug addict, or go to rehab center or commit suicide. So I want them to bless me and support me. It's their fight. It's our industry's fight, which I've got it here in Parliament, and it's begin from here, and they must support me. For few fishes, we can't destroy our beautiful film industry.
Actor Taapsee Pannu spoke with our consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai, where she backed Jaya Bachchan. Here's her voice.
If the Sushant Singh Rajput case puts the scanner on allegedly the manner in which drugs are used or abused in Bollywood, so be it. That is the flip side. That let it all come out. Let the NCB go ahead and investigate and find out who are the drug consumers, whether they are consuming illegal drugs. Why hide why sweep anything under the carpet?
Yeah, please, by all means find out. But do you want to say that drug problem is only existing in Bollywood? Or drug has to do with some sort of a mandatory thing to be a part of Bollywood, that whoever's a part of Bollywood is someone who's related to this drug scam? That is how it's getting projected, as if all of us who are in Bollywood or who have made it here have been associated with some or the other kind of drug scandal, which is not true. I don't think any industry can boast about the fact that they are 100% saintly or idealistic. This world is not idealistic. So why this onus of being idealistic on only Bollywood? Why always we have to prove that we are the most saintly industry and nothing can go wrong? Of course, there are right and wrong people.
No, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why it's happened. Because when match fixing happened, for example, the cricket world came under scanner. Now, because of Sushant's case, Bollywood has come under scanner.
Yeah, but we didn't stop. We didn't start trends like hashtag boycott cricket. It never happened that way. You don't like certain people who started match fixing, you boycott them, or okay, fine, you don't want to see their work, your choice. But boycotting the entire industry, that is such a huge part of this country, which has kept you entertained during your lockdown, where you have the highest taxpayers coming from, which gives employment to so many people. I mean, there are and we celebrate the achievements of this industry when they come on Oscar stage, when they go and win awards in so many film festivals.
No, but why don't you, Taapsee, why don't you all just then ignore the what's happening on social media, ignore the Kangana Ranauts of the world? You know, if you ignore the Kangana Ranauts of you, ignore what is happening on social media, you all carry on with, if you believe you all are running an honest industry and you all are doing work, providing employment, why are you getting so, why is Bollywood getting so rattled by what a Kangana says or what social media says?
Honestly, sir, I'm not at all rattled. I mean, her remarks stopped affecting me long back. So, you know, when you keep doing the same thing again and again, it kind of loses its impact. So it lost impact on me long back. It was just that speech that I heard from Jaya ma'am in the parliament, that, as I told you, it just connected so well, because of course I didn't bother about it, because I know the work will speak. The people who love our industry do love our industry, and they don't really care about this virtual world that is throwing, you know, that all the hate messages at us. I don't think that really matters in the larger scheme of things. It's just that when she spoke, when a senior person like that speaks on that kind of a platform, you know, when all of us are probably those Twitter warriors till now, such a senior, credible person speaking up all these facts and truth really, really made me feel like, okay, that's, you know, that's what I would want to look up to. And, you know, like a lot of us were praising that this is what we want. These are the kind of leaders we want who, as an industry, where our seniors stand up for the industry. It was nice to hear that. So it's not like I'm coming in defense of the industry. We all know what we are, who we are. Our audience knows what we are, who we are. It's not a clarification. It's just an appreciation on the stand that she has taken on that platform where she is.
After being trolled heavily for slamming insiders who defamed Bollywood, veteran actor and Rajya Sabha MP Jaya Bachchan will now get security from the Mumbai police. Maharashtra Minister Aslam Sheikh confirmed to India today that Mumbai police will provide additional security to the Bachchan family in the wake of the trolling that they have faced after Jaya Bachchan's statement in Rajya Sabha. Not only that, in fact, Mumbai Cyber Cell will also investigate social media posts targeting the Bachchan family. Many top Bollywood actors have also come out in support of Jaya Bachchan. Actor Taapsee Pannu, Farhan Akhtar, others like Dia Mirza, Sonam Kapoor have also backed Jaya and claimed that industry's image is being deliberately tarnished by insiders.
Given the kind of trolling that the Bachchan family is facing, will the Maharashtra government look into it?
Definitely. The way she's been accused, the way she's been abused, the way the languages are being used for Amitabh Bachchan and Aishwarya. Aishwarya has done a big thing for country. She went to the international platform and she got Miss World. And forget about Aishwarya, the small child of Aishwarya has been pulled into all these things. This is absolutely not tolerable. Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi is not going to tolerate all these things. We are going to tell the cyber crime to investigate all these things, and simultaneously Maha Vikas Aghadi, I have instructed the Mumbai Police Commissioner to give proper protection to Amitabh's bungalow and to every individual if they need it.
Let's cut across to Munish Pandey joining us live for more details on that. Munish, the Bachchan family get additional security, is it? They're being now trolled. Jaya Bachchan is being trolled and abused quite literally on social media and even otherwise. Threats coming their way because she spoke up in Parliament in support of her own industry. What more do we know of the Maharashtra government now giving her additional security here?
Yeah, well, Nabila, to give a sense to our viewers, we are standing outside Jalsa Bungalow where the Bachchan family resides, and As you can see, the security personnel are outside the main gate. Now, the additional security means that the security of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, which is X category, that will remain same. But the security of the perimeter of this Jalsa Bungalow in Juhu of Mumbai, that has been increased. It means that the Mumbai police security personnel will be keeping a close surveillance of this bungalow, and also the Mumbai police vehicles will be visiting this premises very frequently. This is a precautionary measure by the Mumbai police after so many remarks on social media about Jaya Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan and the entire Bachchan family. Now, what the government maintains at this point of time is that this is not only about Bachchan family but also about the film industry, the Bollywood, which operates from the financial capital where I'm standing, and Amitabh Bachchan is such a personality in Bollywood that this is a service by the Mumbai police and Maharashtra government. But at this point of time, it seems that after remark of Jaya Bachchan on film industry in response to what Ravi Kishan said, this is a war not only between Jaya Bachchan and Ravi Kishan, but between Bharatiya Janata Party and now the Maharashtra government, the coalition government of NCP, Congress and Shiv Sena. So Mumbai police is very clear that they are providing extra security to this bungalow where Mr. Amitabh Bachchan along with Jaya Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, they all reside here, and they are saying that their security is the priority, and this security has been beefed up after as a precautionary measure.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.